Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can upload images and photos to your conversations and chats in a Claude AI app, for example on your mobile or Android. So let us guide you through this. In the first step, launch Claude AI. Let me go on my Android phone, and after that tap into a new chat here at the bottom to start a new chat. And what you want to do, guys, is simply start a new chat, but before you send the text message, make sure that you tap into that plus button below the text message, and after that select your source, like for example your camera or your device storage here by photo. So let me go with my photo or device storage. Tap into photo, and after that navigate through your phone storage. For example, you may go to the recent files or to the download files or folder, or you may go to your phone storage by tapping into photos here. After that, select the given folder. Let me go with downloads, and from here tap into the given photo you would like to attach to your message on Claude AI. Confirm by tapping into done here in the top right, and wait for the image and photo to be downloaded to your conversation. And that's it. After that, you may, for example, remove the given message as an attachment by tapping into that X button here in the top left corner, or simply send your message like, for example, hello Claude, would you like to describe the given photo? And that's basically it. After that, tap into that arrow icon to the right and wait for the response provided by Claude AI. Give it a few moments, and after that you will see the reply and the image description listed below, so that you may, for example, leave a feedback or copy the message and so on and so forth. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.